Emeka Elvis Ihueze na-asị na ndị delegates ndị Igbo gara Abuja wee jere vote ha. Kedu ihe nwe ikwu maka nke a?
I think you should understand that this is the fallacy of the whole thing, where many credible Igbo aspirants went round asking for votes, but I believe that most of them did not pay for votes. They refused to pay for votes. So the delegates went for the highest bidders. I think that's what happened. The case of Emeka Nwoko, for example, the former Minister of State Education, he didn't even show up because the night before, he realized that people were buying votes, and he didn't want to do that. He thought that his credibility, his performance, his history would have been enough for him to get the kind of support that his people would support him. But that wasn't the case. Yes, I know he got one vote from somebody somewhere. but largely, most of the Igbos from Russia Security in the AMPP, but they did not get support of their own people. Principally because they didn't spend the kind of money that others were willing to spend. And that is wrong. So they basically sold their souls for money. They were there in the past 3 years with the clamor. People have been clamoring for Igbo president. And when the time came for them to, show that they are prepared for this, they did something different. They disappointed their aspirants who had spent months and months, campaigning and spending money, going around the country. So it's all about function of money. Mm. And the only way to stop this from happening again is to criminalize it, make it an offense for people to buy votes. Buying a vote cannot be defended anywhere in the world. It is wrong.
The governor of Ebonyi State, on the clear way, my delegates on the journey, and all my vote to no one. So you will know. It's really Igama. I don't want to close this America. One governor cried out now from that, and on the mother do that. Is if a man, oh, one in a zoo, Umahina Zoma vote to no what, Malon Madon wager, my vote to no what. When the papa, the state have wager, and then go so Pabuna. Some governors, if I had a picture or onion as or no, they would go. Only a governor when interest, not as a presidency when interest in the candidates can yon dink yes, say, okay, where I'm passing a very better you about vote Bologna. If I didn't go, we can say, okay, or somebody may go if I have done this thing for you, I've done this for you, dear, Mel me fed to her.
Now, you could abado the delegates abado.
And I'm going there, and then with series of meetings, I'm a party man now. Why you phenomenon? See where you will go. This is the reason why you must go there.
I agree that we can all have an agreement that this person should go, but it should never be induced in any form or manner. And we all know that this has been induced. And Abadogi, are you trying to tell me that as a human being now, do I need you to badum? Do I need you to kudebem before I know what is good for me? I can't think for myself.
Ned, you nwere ike igwa ụmụ Nigeria ihe mere na mpụtara niile ntuli aka ime ụlọ ndị a ekwesịghị kagbu ya akagbu ebe ọ bụ na achọpụtara ọtụtụ nrụrụ aka n'ime ya.
For you to cancel anything, there must be petitions, and then there must be inquiries. But that's something that cannot be done now. So unless we have people who are prepared to, complain in writing and it be investigated, and if found to be if found that what has been complained about has been done, then of course it is possible it's just theoretically possible to cancel those nominations. But we know it's not possible. Nigeria is complex. What we need to do is to think about the future. How can this be stopped in the future? What kind of penalties could be imposed on such criminal behaviors? But that's what they are.